Hey preppers! Welcome to our ultimate guide on the 31 coolest doomsday survival gear and gadgets. In this video, we're showing must-have tools and tech to keep you ready for any crisis. From rugged blades to life-saving gadgets, let's dive into the gear every survivalist needs. The SOL Phoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool is a compact, life-saving essential for any survivalist or prepper facing unpredictable scenarios. At just 7 ounces and the size of a pocket knife, this tool packs 8 critical functions into a rugged, portable design. Its retractable ferro rod and serrated fixed blade knife, which doubles as a striker, make fire starting reliable, while the watertight Tinder Quick compartment ensures dry tinder that burns for up to 3 minutes. The 2-inch drop-point blade, though small, handles cutting tasks like rope or kindling, and includes a bottle opener, 3 to 7 millimeters wrench, and a flathead screwdriver for gear repairs or battery access. A 9-lumen LED light with a strobe feature illuminates your path or signals for help, and a clip allows it to double as a headlamp. The 100 decibel P-less whistle ensures you're heard from over a mile away. Despite its plastic body-raising durability concerns in extreme cold, the Phoenix's multifunctionality and lightweight design make it a must-have for hiking, camping, or doomsday prep, keeping you ready for any challenge. The FaithOps CampSafe is a must-have for campers and survivalists seeking robust security in the wilderness. Crafted from 6061 aluminum, this compact, USA-made device doubles as a 12-gauge perimeter trip alarm and flare launcher, offering versatile protection. Its spring-loaded firing mechanism and trip trigger activate when disturbed, discharging a loud 124 decibel bang with 209 primers or louder 127 decibel bear deterrent blanks, alerting you to wildlife or intruders. Compatible with 22 cal, 209 primer adapters, and Orion 12-gauge flares, it adapts to various needs, from signaling for rescue to scaring off predators like bears or coyotes. The new screw-on retainer ensures secure loading of blanks or flares, enhancing reliability. Weighing just 3.5 ounces, it's easy to pack, and its 85-foot Dyneema trip line sets up quickly with zip ties or screws. While not waterproof, applying gun lube and nail polish to primers ensures functionality in rain. With a 10-year warranty and a digital adapter in development, the CampSafe is a durable, adaptable tool for campsite safety and emergency preparedness. When survival demands versatility, the EST Gear Survival Shovel delivers. This 18-in-1 multi-tool is a game-changer for doomsday preppers, designed to tackle any outdoor challenge with ease. Crafted from heat-treated, high-quality carbon steel, its corrosion-resistant spade head slices through dirt, wood, and brush effortlessly. The aerospace-grade aluminum handles ensure maximum strength and durability, backed by a lifetime replacement warranty. Compact and lightweight at just 1.36 kg, it collapses into a ripstop nylon pouch, perfect for bug-out bags or vehicle storage. From chopping wood with the axe to digging trenches with the shovel, it also includes a survival knife, saw, spear, fire starter, rope cutter, screwdriver, whistle, compass, and more. While the ferro rod and whistle have minor durability concerns, the shovel's robust construction and modular design make it a top-tier survival tool. Whether you're clearing debris, starting a fire, or navigating the wilderness, the EST Gear Survival Shovel is your reliable companion for any apocalyptic scenario. The Nebo Luxstream is a powerhouse flashlight engineered for survivalists who need unmatched long-distance visibility. Its advanced optics deliver 500 lumens with a staggering 200 to 500 candela, projecting a tight beam up to 900 meters over half a mile, making it ideal for search and rescue, navigating treacherous terrain, or signaling for help in emergencies. Crafted from anodized aircraft-grade aluminum in storm gray, Its robust, IP66 dust and water-resistant body withstands 1-meter drops and harsh conditions. Perfect for camping, hiking, or survival scenarios. The 4,000 mAh USB-C rechargeable battery powers 4 modes: high, medium, low, and strobe, with smart power control for seamless mode transitions. Compact at 7.87 by 2.28 inches and weighing 1.3 pounds, it's portable yet feels indestructible. While some users note a yellowish tint and limited floodlight capability beyond 700 meters, its exceptional throw and durability make the Luxstream a critical lifeline for any outdoor or emergency situation. The Scallywag Malice is a 12-inch fixed-blade dagger that's as tough as it looks. Its 6.75-inch blade, crafted from K340 steel, offers exceptional edge retention, making it ideal for both survival tasks and self-defense. The dual-edged design ensures versatility, whether you're cutting through tough materials or preparing for a critical moment. The textured G10 handle, complete with a swell and handstop, provides a secure grip, even in high-pressure situations or slippery conditions. A fuller groove reduces weight without compromising strength, making it easy to carry in your bug-out bag. The Kydex sheath with dual retention quick release allows for rapid deployment, so you're never caught off guard. This dagger's sleek design and robust construction make it perfect for everything from camp chores to worst-case scenarios. Whether you're slicing rope, preparing food, or protecting yourself, the Malice is a reliable partner. Its balance of strength, weight, and accessibility ensures it's ready when you need it most. For preppers who demand a no-nonsense blade, the Scallywag Malice is a top-tier choice that won't let you down. When you need to start a fire in brutal conditions, Surviveware Stormproof matches are your best friend. Unlike standard matches that fizzle out in wind or rain, these are engineered to perform under pressure. Each match is coated with a waterproof layer, ensuring it stays dry even after being submerged. With a burn time of up to 15 seconds, they give you plenty of time to ignite tinder, even in damp environments. The matches come in a rugged waterproof case with a built-in striker surface, making them easy to light and store safely. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing a survival scenario, these matches deliver reliable flames for cooking, warmth, or signaling. Their durability and long burn time make them a cut above regular matches, especially when resources are scarce. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and preppers alike, they're a compact addition to any kit. From lighting a campfire to creating a distress signal, Surviveware Stormproof matches ensure you're never left in the cold. Add these to your gear and you'll have fire-starting confidence in any weather. For preppers, the Wayland Survival Axe is a handy and portable tool for outdoor use. This small hatchet can be attached to a backpack or bug-out bag using its MOLLE-compatible design, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or emergencies. It's built for many survival tasks, like chopping wood, splitting kindling, carving shelters, setting traps, and other bushcraft needs. Made from high-quality materials, it's tough and can handle rough conditions. The blade is sharp and well-balanced, making it easy to use. The handle is designed for comfort and works well for both chopping and throwing. It comes with a maul sheath to keep it secure and easy to reach. This axe is very versatile. It can clear paths, help with vehicle recovery, and even remove waste. It's a must-have tool for any prepper's gear collection. The BioLite Headlamp 800 Pro is the ultimate headlamp for nighttime survival, delivering 800 lumens across 6 dimmable modes, including red and white settings. It offers complete control over your illumination. The 3D slim fit construction integrates electronics into the band, providing a secure, bounce-free fit that feels nearly weightless. A tiltable front lens and moisture-wicking fabric ensure comfort during long use, while easy adjust clips keep it snug. The constant mode feature maintains steady brightness without dimming, perfect for extended tasks. With a micro USB port and run forever cable for pass-through charging, It's built for cold weather and long adventures. Its IPX4 weather resistance ensures reliability in rain or snow. Whether you're setting up camp, navigating trails, or working in the dark, this headlamp delivers unmatched performance. The BioLite Headlamp 800 Pro combines comfort, durability, and versatility, making it a top choice for preppers and outdoor enthusiasts. Illuminate your path with confidence. The Zune Low to Annihilate FA3 Survival Shovel is a premium multi-tool engineered for survivalists, campers, and tactical enthusiasts. Its martensitic stainless steel shovel head, crafted through a month-long molding and casting process, boasts a hardness of HRC 60 and can withstand 1,984 pounds, making it ideal for digging, chopping, or breaking through tough materials like brick or wood in extreme conditions, including saltwater and sub-zero temperatures. The patented 7-key angles lock allows one-handed angle adjustments from 0 to 150 degrees, enhancing versatility for tasks like shoveling, hoeing, or vehicle rescue. At 3.97 pounds and adjustable from 24.2 to 35.4 inches, it's robust yet portable, fitting neatly into a 600D Oxford fabric military pouch. The aircraft-grade aluminum handle ensures durability and a secure grip, with 28 integrated tools, including a fire starter, survival whistle, wire saw, bottle opener, camera mount, and rope. It's a comprehensive survival kit. While heavier than some alternatives and lacking a dedicated case for all accessories, its unmatched build quality and multifunctionality make it a top choice for outdoor preparedness. There you have it, the coolest doomsday survival gear and gadgets to keep you ready for anything. Which one's going in your bug-out bag? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more survival content. Stay prepared, stay safe, and we'll catch you in the next video.